Hello, my name is Mike Stevens, owner of HTML Fox, partnering with Dave Edits Video. And today's quick tip is about marketing, and especially for those that have a brick and mortar business. In an earlier video, we talked about the outside of the building. Today, we're going to talk about the inside. And the inside, of course, this is all common sense stuff, but sometimes you need to hear it. The inside should be clean and orderly. If you have employees, how do they present themselves? Do they have manners? Do they look decent? Because they're representing your business the time that they're there. And all of this makes a big impression and affects your business, positive or negatively. So before you spend any money on marketing, make sure the inside of your business is clean, the restrooms are clean, employees are decent, the phone's answered in a professional manner, and everything is in order on the inside. Then you can start marketing your business with marketing dollars, which can be expensive, but there's no point in doing that if the inside of your business and the outside of your business is not taken care of. Thank you.